Hello everyone, today's video is about creating a shortcut in which we can do data entry in the easiest possible way. So let's assume we want to do a data entry for some headers like name, age, city, etc. So like name, age and city. Let's zoom it out. So we have name, age and city and we have to fill these entries in these columns. So you have to right click on your ribbon and click the customize the ribbon button. In this you have to go on all commands, and in this all commands you have to search for the form function. We got the form function over here and we have to add it over here. Since I already have, so it is giving me an error, so let's close it out, and when you will customize it you will get a form function over here. So these are the headers, but we have to change it in the table format. So for that we have to press Ctrl T, but before that we have to select that how much we want to take as a table. So we will select all the ABC columns because we don't know how many entries will be going to be there. So selecting all the three columns, we will press Ctrl T and it will give me, you want this table ABC range. So there is a column called my table has headers. Since we have written the headers, we will take it out over here, otherwise it will have given us the options to give the headers in the form function also. So pressing it will give us a table like structure. So after that we will see how to enter the data in this table. So pressing Alt will automatically show us all the shortcuts on the ribbon. So we know we have added the form function in the table in the ribbon. So pressing 9 will give us this sheet 1 form. So let's enter the names: Ram, age 25, city Varanasi, and we will press enter and it will be added in the table. Let's add one more: 26, city Mumbai. It will enter. So in this command prompt we can see there are options called new. Clicking it will give you a new page to enter the data. Delete will delete the data. Find previous, find next. Then comes the criteria option. This is used for searching between the entries. Let's assume we want the persons whose age is more than 25. So we will search it and we will get Shyam, which is above 25, 26. So this is all about form function and it is very useful for entering the data, finding the data in the most easiest possible way. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and thank you so much for watching this video.